Hello everyone, good evening. This is your host once again, Captain Ravi Chaudhary, and we'll be having a part 2 of the session which we had the other day with our first Lady ETO of India, Amreen Bano, and we'll continue chatting with her, and let's call her online. Hello, Yana Gildo, Sheikh Saif, Tunda, Paulo Hogar. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming. Shahid Irfan, Ak Dennis Gemi. Hello, good evening, Amreen.
Hello. Very good evening, sir.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good.
I'm good. Ready for the session 2?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for the session too.
Okay. Anything about your joining yet?
Yes, they said they will inform tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday.
Say it again.
I'm going to, they will tell me tomorrow about joining.
Okay.
So most probably it will be next,
So
within like next week.
next week?
Within a week.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, Amreen,
Yes.
what we do is we start off from where we, left the other day because your signal was
Okay.
not good and you were telling me a story about the chief engineer. So you were on this last ship, which is a VLCC, and there was a
Yes,
chief
sir.
engineer on board who company told you he was a very difficult chief engineer and just see if you want to go there, and you said no, yes, I want to go there. It doesn't matter, difficult chief engineer, difficult ship, I will go there. And you went over there. He was, very hard taskmaster. He was very strict, and he would pick, jobs which, nobody had done before. So he tells you that, the ship's UMS has to be put into the,
Yes.
operation, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Right. That's
tell
right.
me, when was the last time the ship had a UMS?
It was like more than a 3 months before. So from
More
more
than
than
three
three
months
months, it was
before?
not in UMS.
And there were many, alarm issues, fire alarm issues, so it was
Yes,
not in
yes, yes.
service, right? So okay,
Yes,
so he
yes, yes.
tells you at 4:30 in the evening one day कि okay, UMS पे डालना जहाज, and then
Yes. So, sir, he told me in UMS you have to put the. So normally, like that is our work to do. So I was like, it was because of fire alarm system. So I started troubleshooting for fire alarm for the same. Then I searched for the spare and I found many sensor of same type. That was flame detector. Then I
okay,
started installing that, and after that also it was not working, and like nobody was telling me like low. Everybody knows that they were receiving wrong spares, but everybody is
okay,
scared from the chief engineer, so they cannot speak out. Okay, he is trying to whatever give you tough time. So they were all watching, and they were also feeling bad about it, but I was trying. It was late evening, like 6:30, 7 o'clock. I did up and down, like because we have fire alarm panel always in the bridge. So I have to go through the bridge and then come to the engine room. From there, restart, reset, everything. Then I found like as per the circuit, we have to cut the that card PCB. So I
okay,
cut it with the blade. And then he was getting angry, started shouting at me, okay, she's spoiling the spare, this, that. And I was like, I'm trying to resolve the problem, whatever is the possible, I have to try it, right? If he
hmm,
can't
hmm,
say anything good, he cannot
hmm,
support or he cannot say, there is no, like, at least he should not say something bad and shout at me. But I
right,
know, as office has told me, he is very tough. So calmly, I was like, internally I was getting angry, but I have to solve the problem. I was dedicated to solve the problem. I was trying. So anyhow, like after 7:30 or 8 o'clock, it worked out. He was shouting at me, and finally it started working. And then I
okay,
smiled at him. Then he was looking at my face and like he was smiling like that. And like whatever he was shouting in front of everyone, and like he was trying to prove me wrong. And at the same time, within like some time, he himself realized he was wrong. She was trying
Right.
to resolve, and she did it. She had proved herself.
Right. Right.
So, yeah, likewise, many things, he used to give me like that. And like later I came to know that he want me to sign off. So that is why he was doing like that. And that time my monthly problem cycle was going on, and it was up top on the generator, that sensor, and I have to stand there and do. And evening we have to go and get fresh and all these things. And although like he was strict, so I didn't even ask, like I'll go and I have to, this situation. Actually, I never tell in the, never like let us realize anybody ke my monthly situation. We have to work, and like I never take off in that time. So people also know ke they do say, ma'am, how you work all these things, how you handle, you never like, sometimes some chief engineer, they do tell ke at least Amreen, let us know, until you will tell how we will know. But I don't tell anybody. I try to manage my work. So it
Right.
worked out. Yeah, and then many things was like that. He will do and he will not tell to anybody, and neither me. So one day, later on, like 3 months after later, he has to give us the appraisal. So in my appraisal, he
Okay.
asked me, Amreen, you give appraisal to you by yourself. And second engineer was there,
Okay.
and myself was there. I was looking at his face, like why, like he is giving to everyone, and why he's asking me to give number to myself. And then okay, I thought in myself, so far I am solving 99% problem. So far like I am good only, right? So I will give myself to average mark only, right? Because he is shouting at me every time he is giving me tough time. So I gave myself like 6, 7, just about like average marks. Then he was he looked at my appraisal, how I gave to myself, and then he smiled at me, and then he increased everything, all the marks to 8, 9. And myself and second engineer, we were surprised how it is possible. Who is every time shouting at me, and like for everything, let me work alone, no giving no one, and all these things. And then he wrote a comment, although she is first time ETO, but she had proved herself she is better than many senior electrical officers.
Okay.
How it meant to me, it was like I was so happy कि who is so strict and every time scolding at me, and today he is writing this. I never expected that he will praise me in such a way that, and how is bad he was with me in starting. He used to always scold me, and like for everything, he was so tough to me. Anytime for everything, whatever work like other can do, whatever we have to do in the dry dock, he used to ask me to do, like midship crane, complete wire you have to change. Then I used to climb on that and hanging myself with the flanger, and used to like complete pulling wire and changing, which normally we do in the dry dock. But I did everything.
But
You
he
know.
did he give you any help?
That time he gave me help because that is the working aloft. So we asked from the chief officer assistant. So one person was there, standing there, and he gave a guy that he has to give. But later on he saw like it is, once he also came by himself with me to help. Sir, it is, I asked him, though he came and he saw it was very difficult. Not an easy, single person cannot do that. Then he himself realized that one crane I did everything, installation, new light, halogen lamp, big, and everything. Then for second thing, he said, no, Amreen, please don't do it. It is risky for the life and it is not safe. He himself, she will not say no, she don't escape from any job, she will not say, she will do it in a safe way, but he himself realized. And later on, like thing happened, he has trust in me, like, in engine room, he did not have in anyone. Whatever problem is coming in boiler or anything, I used to ask, I used to discuss like, sir, so like he will go alone and do, he will not tell. And then I will ask, sir, what you did? He said, Amreen, I don't have to tell you. I know you will find out and you will do it by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, later on situation became like that. So we have to prove. Starting we have to face a tough time. And like if we are good in our work and we are, likewise, like his mentality change, it's not easy. People mind you need to change. He was so much against
Right.
the girl, females. Later on, like Captain Wife was there. She told me, "Okay, he doesn't want. He want you to sign off anyhow." And but you proved it. You did it. Now he is happy with you.
But how do you
So
know that he wanted you to sign off?
because other people and Captain Sir, there was a Captain Wife also. Then she told me later on, once he signed off, then she told me that okay, he wanted you to sign off in a starting. He wasn't like he doesn't want girl on his ship. Many of the chief engineer they doesn't want female on their ship. They do scare, and this we feel in every ship, sir. Like some they accept us, but some of the chief engineer I don't know they do scare us. But like, at least they should give us a chance. They say from the office they
Right.
don't want girl in their ship. This is not the right without like you doesn't know about her work or anything, and you are just directly saying no to her, not even giving opportunity to her.
Right.
Like that should,
Right. Right.
yeah. And like, and ship, like, for us, for me, it is normal to work as an ETO and I am working. I feel I am an ETO only, no gender. But it is unusual for others to see female to work with them. So whatever we work during starting, like starting week, or I make it comfortable within a week. So every eye on us, whatever we are doing, people are behind us, and they will like they have that female,
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
thing.
Hmm.
So we have to, for me, like whenever everybody is working, they feel comfortable. They don't feel there is a female on board. Captain also,
Right.
yeah, Captain Sir wife, she especially told me, yeah, Captain Sir, he has already sailed with many females, but he is always scared, He has to keep special eye for them, for all these things. But he used to say to his wife, okay, when Amreen is on board, I'm not scared. I don't feel there is a female on his ship. She is like that.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we
And
have to.
tell me this chief engineer was okay with the other officers, other engineers in the engine room?
Uh, Starting, he was so much angry, He used to scold them, and then I used to go out of engine room in front of me. He does, and then later on, by seeing, I don't know, he became normal later on. But starting, he was very strict. His night order, people used to send in WhatsApp group. He was such a very much Hitler type chief engineer with everyone.
Hmm.
But later on, I don't know, he was normal. They said first time we are seeing him, he is this normal. Otherwise, every ship he was so much. I don't know how come his
But
behavior got
sometimes,
changed.
what I feel is sometimes, there are some bosses who are very good in their work, who are very, they are hard taskmasters. Their expectations from their staff is very high, and sometimes if the staff is not good enough, so they are like that with everyone. So in the beginning, probably when he was not happy with the other people, and then people must have performed well. Same way, okay, in your case, maybe he didn't like a woman ETO is on
Yes,
board. I
yes.
don't like her. But then you proved yourself. But in the end, he gave you good points. I feel that he was not a bad guy. His expectations were very high.
I am thankful to him, so much thankful to him because of him. He taught me, like, he was so strict, so I became so tough. Now, in any situation, every situation, whatever situation come, I don't scare. Whatever, oh, acha, this is the problem. Okay, I'll see it. You are creating problem, I will see it. Like, I talk with the machinery, and I enjoy my work.
Very
So,
good,
yes,
very good.
yeah, in
Yeah, so
starting, I
what
got
what
like,
I yeah.
yes. Like in starting, we got like the chief engineer, so it was good for me. Yes, I feel it was. I am
Yeah,
thankful to
same way I
him.
feel, on your first shift when you got a very, strict senior ETO, he taught you
Yes,
so much. In the beginning, you hated him, you were angry, but then later on you realize, oh my God, he taught me so much. Same way I feel, okay, if this chief engineer was particularly, kind of, had a bias against you, just because you are a woman, he doesn't like you, then I don't like him, then it's not done. He shouldn't do it. But if he was like that with everyone else, and then if your performance improved and he was okay with you, but then I feel he was a good chief engineer who taught you so much, who brought so much confidence in you, right?
Yes, 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 yes. For me, he was good. I know, I don't know what people says about him. They said he doesn't respect girls, he doesn't like girls, he hate females, he talk bad about other girls. But I don't feel he was like that. With me, he never like misbehave other than professionally. Professionally, if anybody is scolding us or doing anything, that is profession. It happens, you know. Sometimes hot and cold time we have during work. So
Right, right.
yes.
So we learn one more thing from here, that we should not go by what other people tell us, right?
Yes, exactly,
We
exactly. It should
have
not
to
go.
we have to make our own opinion about people. If he kind of separated you from the men, that was bad. But if he did not, if he was like that with everyone else, then no, maybe his expectation was like that. So he was treating you like other men also, Okay, if you are good in your job, you are good. If you are not, so he gave you at 4:30 in the evening after 3 months on that ship, he wanted you to start UMS, which you did after 3, 4 hours or maybe 6 hours. Then he
Yeah,
was
after joining
appreciative
within
of
a
you.
week.
And then, yeah. So,
Yeah.
and he asked you to write your own confidential report, appraisal. So
Yes,
that
yes,
means
yes.
he was not a bad guy. Once you proved yourself, then he was okay. She's good. He wrote also, she is better than many senior ETOs, right?
Yes, yes, yes. That was in my first shift, first
So
appraisal, I remember, as an
yeah,
ETO.
yeah.
It
So
was very good.
so anyway, so these two people, the electrician on the first ship, and then second the chief on the second this ship, they made you a very confident person, and you learned so much from them, right?
Yes, 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 every time.
So I would say these two incidents were good incidents, not bad ones. These
Ex-
experiences, right?
Yes, exactly. Those are good. You know, now
Yeah.
in any ship, anytime, any problem at midnight or like anything, come, I don't escape from anything. I'm just bindas. Okay, you are creating problem. This machinery. Okay, I
I
will
will handle
see.
you.
I will handle you. I'm a good doctor.
Right, right. And
Because
now,
many thing
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah, continue,
many thing
continue.
on that ship. When he was there, the chief engineer, what task he has given to me, and I have solved those problem. And the workshop people they came, and he was asking them to do. Amrin asked them to do that. Right? They are not able to do. They are saying like it cannot be done. So he used to say, Amrin, if you can do it, you can make it run with this sensor. Why can't they do that? You know?
Why can't they do it?
Yes, and they are every day doing all these things. So if you can replace that sensor from there to like we have to run the thing, that was one incident was there that was ECRAC, and it was
Okay.
yeah, completely icing, and in the night somebody has put lots of water in that, and then it came into my starter panel, and everything was
Uh,
like spoiled with that. And sensor was gone with that sensor, like it was electronic unit and card and all with the water ingress. So, and that is ECRAC. We have to make it run anyhow, we cannot stop that. So in that
right,
situation,
right,
yeah, yes, yes.
right, right.
So yeah, we have to run the show. And
Absolutely. And there are some now, let me read some very nice comments people have written for you.
yes.
And there is one Shahnawaz Sheikh. He's, I think, sent you 100 hearts.
Oh my
Okay,
God, thank you so much, Shahnaz.
he said, I'm a big fan, he said.
Oh my God,
Okay,
thank you.
and there is Tranquil Mindfulness. She's Surbi. She's a
Okay.
mindfulness coach in USA,
Oh my
and
God,
she
thank you.
says our experiences, good or bad, help us grow stronger. Yes, we agree,
Yes, yes, agree.
right?
That's true.
And Anush TC, hello. And then there is Arun Simba. He says, Powerpuff Girl. Yes, Arun Simba, she is a Powerpuff
Thank
Girl.
you. Thank
And
you.
there is one Sun Moon Private Limited. He says, Superwoman of India. Yes, she is
Oh my
Superwoman of
God.
India. Okay,
Oh
now
my
I want to ask you, tell me, these were uh, in the beginning you said, oh my God, these were bad experiences. No, they were good experiences. They made you what you are today, confident. And you
Yes,
were confident anyway, but these people were strict with you. Why? Because they wanted you to be confident in your job, right? So
yes,
it is
yes.
always better to go through hardships early on in your life rather than, going through later on, when you are
Later
very
on, yes.
senior. Okay.
Very
So
senior.
now I want you to give me one or two, whatever worst experiences. These were not bad experiences. I want to tell me something, where you felt, I want to go back home. I don't want sea life. Did you have any
No,
such experience?
so fast, no, no, no. I never felt that. Whatever
Very good.
experience, I smile always and I take it
Yeah.
as a good only. Like it gave me an opportunity to
Uh,
learn, It gave me a chance to
uh,
learn, Whatever is the situation coming, that is for my own good.
uh,
It will be for like a short time, but after that, what I will become and what I learn. I will learn that. I always
hmm.
like if problem comes, I am happy. I always appreciate that.
Okay.
So I never feel that like time is going slow or I am feeling alone, lonely. Like I feel like time is short. It goes so
Okay.
fast. I don't have like I always feel why like they went so fast. I want
Right.
more time.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're one of
For
those
me.
girls. Bring it on. Give me all the, problems. I will solve them, right?
Yes, yes, yes. We are like us, sir. Electricity. I always say we are an electrical officer, and ship wiring is like a nerve system.
Yeah.
Our generator is the heart of the ship, which is pumping, and the wire is the nerve system. So we have to become a good doctor. Which nerve is not working, where we have to do the bypass surgery, and where we have to do all this. So uh, I'm enjoying it. I enjoy. I talk to the machinery, and I like I
So you are a
and they give me the
neurosurgeon of
output.
the
They
ship.
they they make me happy. Yes,
You are the
this is the
neurosurgeon,
job,
right?
sir. Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
dual
There is
and
some.
enjoying dual job as a doctor also,
Yep.
neurosurgeon also, and as an ET also.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. There is one person, Abu Day 425. He says, I want to join as trainee ETO. Any guidance for me?
Okay,
Can you
he
give him
does
any
he has
guidance?
yes, sir, he completed his ETO or
I
like
don't know.
what he is.
Just give any advice. Just I don't know. He is not
Yeah,
written
if you
anything.
want to join as a trainee ETO, yeah, go ahead and do join. If you like to work practically and it is a very rewarding job and career, there are a lot to learn and explore, and of course you have a good handsome salary. Um, yes, here like what there is like you can judge here yourself, whatever you work, you get your output that then and there and that time, and that thing you get that the after like your output, the happiness you get in yourself, you will not get anywhere. I don't think so.
But also tell him the challenges.
Yes, challenges. It is
That is more
electricity.
important.
That is safety and challenge. Safety is first and foremost priority, and the challenges. I would share you my last ship experience. How the challenges comes and how you have to handle with them, and like how you have to work with that. We understand that our steering gear is the most essential machinery, you know. And yes, we were at Anchorage in Fujairah, right? There was a technicians for elevator, and I was working with them more than 14 and 15 hours, more than a day. And then suddenly we were about to depart from Fujairah Anchorage, and I was continuously with this elevator technician. And then before departing, we have to try out these alarms, steering gear alarms. So in engine room, they said, Amrin, you are busy with them, so you finish it off with workshop. Just alarm we have to try out. We will try out. So they tried out alarm engine room. And after finishing everything, like I was coming to my cabin. Okay, after like this much time, I'll get some relax. I'll take a small nap. And then suddenly, I got a call from engine room. Steering gear has failed. Steering gear, there is a fire in steering gear starter panel. It is not working. And they change over also. another one also. Both the steering gear, we don't have any steering gear, and we were working from more than 17, 18 hours. What to do in that situation? And already our ship, they have informed to the port also. We are going to depart from here. How panic situation is now, you know, how you will have to handle, and it is very hot. Steering gear room is also hot. Fujairah is also hot, and you are tired from this much time, and still you have to work, and you are the one to make it right because, right, it was fire in the panel, and you are alone. Nobody is there to. That is why people used to scare to take me electrical officer only one, so nobody is there to help you. So if you will join as a second officer or deck cadet or anything, there are many to guide you and support you. So one man you have to. So as I always, whenever I join a ship, I always take inventory of all the spares, where is what. So I'm aware of it. So in case of emergency, it helps a lot, you know. So there, in that situation, we have to go out of this port. So what we have to do, you know, how we have to handle. There is no time, like we take much time to complete resolve the issue. Of course, I wanted to do that, but office suggested, Amreen, anyhow you, right now you make it and we have to go out of port, and later on you try to troubleshoot it. Then whatever I found the cause, and I replaced the steering gear and changeover, I found it was safe, and then we can depart. So likewise, you know, you will face many challenges, you know. In midnight, sometime you will receive an alarm, main engine, it is not working, and main engine is stopped because of this and this alarm. You know, you should know, and at midnight, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you have to get up and go to the engine room, and your presence of mind is required. You cannot take any wrong action. Electricity, if you take one wire here and there, any wrong action, it may be disaster for yourself. Your safety can be in, and the ship as well. And the ship as well. So it is a very challenging, your presence of mind and confidence, clear concept, everything is required. So be confident.
You have to be, you have to be very sure that I want to do this job and I will do it. Otherwise, don't go.
I will do it. Don't go. And whatever I am doing, I am taking a correct action. If I am doing one wire here and there, if I am restarting also, whether it will be retrieved back or not, you know. So before taking any small step or small action, you have to be think. There is a lots of responsibility on your ship, on your shoulder. So always, so I would suggest, if he love and he will enjoy, if he is determined about it, he want a career, like more on practical experience, of course, he should join. And yeah, keeping in mind all these challenges and responsibility, you know.
Right, right. And Amreen, you know what? While I'm talking to you, I am seeing a future boss in you. You know, you're thinking the way you're, I told you the other day also, the way your brain thinks, you know, you said something which I always used to, you know, tell my juniors. You said something which is very important. Take inventory of your spares, which is so important. If you don't know your inventory, you don't know what to order, and you don't even know what to use.
What to use?
So whenever I was chief mate, that used to be my first job. First thing I'll go on the ship, I will not go and tell a cadet to go take inventory. I used to have kind of, you know, put it in my memory. I'll go personally see, you know, each and every store, personally see it, and few things, important things, they will stay in my mind. I know where it is. And when I became a captain, and then I used to tell the chief mate the same thing. You go, take your inventory. Once you know where your spares are, you know what to do and what to use and when to use them.
Yes. And that night, sir, that day night, that helped me a lot, you know. It was in emergency. I was in a steering gear room and his spare was somewhere else. Then I told to the cadet or to a motorman, it is there in so-and-so rack. There. You go and take it, bring it. Until then, I will try to resolve the problem. Until that, I will try to trace it. You know, and everybody, chief engineer, second engineer, bring something for Batista, bring water, put fan for Batista. You know, I was getting so much of importance and I was feeling
why? Because you were that time, you were the most important person. You were the only one who could solve the problem, right?
Yes. Yes, yes. I was saying
So,
today what happened? Everybody is so much give juice to Batti Sahab, bring water for her, and put a fan. Batti Sahab, what you need? Tell us, we will bring. I was
okay.
good. It was
So,
good.
so you never had any bad experiences. Whatever,
No, no.
bad experiences were there, you converted them into challenge and you worked on that and you solved the problem. So there was nothing like bad experience
Nothing.
for you.
Nothing,
So it's
nothing, nothing.
always for you, it is always learning, right?
Always learning for me. And from the tough time, I feel like it is a something good time is going to come for me. After hardship, only you will get something good.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes. So I
And now
always
tell me, yeah, yeah,
smile and pass it.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Now tell me one more thing. Amreen in year 2030,
So
where do you see yourself?
2030.
Yeah.
2030.
Are you in
I
2030, are you sailing or you are sitting in a company office as a senior superintendent or something?
maybe sir, senior superintendent or something, but right now I'm enjoying the job. I
No, have you
always say that I leave the person, and until I will enjoy the sailing and I can, so I will continue the sailing. But in future, I may think about it to become a superintendent in an office job.
but
On
so
board,
far have you ever thought or you never thought about it so far?
so far I didn't think, sir. I'm so young. I want to say sail.
Yeah, yeah, that's all right.
Okay,
I mean,
yes.
that
Yes,
you're
I have
young, you
thought it.
want to sail, but did the thought come in your mind
Yes,
because I asked you or it was already there?
it was sir. Once I got an opportunity to become a superintendent for as an ETO. So that time it came in my mind, but that time I don't want to become a superintendent. So now also I don't want. But in future, I'm thinking after like 2000, as you are saying, 2030. Yes, that time I want, I will be
Okay,
most probably.
okay, you'll be
Yes,
there. Because
yes.
what I
Whatever I
feel
think, I get
is
it.
I already see you sitting in some office in few years because
Oh,
when I'm talking to you, I know, you are not meant to work on one ship. You are meant to sit in the office and give advice to 30 ships, 50 ships as a superintendent.
my God. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So this will be my advice to you. Grab as much experience as possible for next 5 years, 6 years. Become very confident because your brain is very sharp. You
Thank
need
you, sir.
experience. Okay? The once
Yes,
you
yes,
have
exactly.
lot of experience. Now, I would also suggest one more thing, stick to one company. But yes, if you are not happy, you can obviously if you get a better opportunity, better
No.
company, you go there. But when you are with one company, they know you, they have seen you, you know the sailing staff, you know the office staff, they have you in their mind, and that is the
Yes.
time you go and tell them, okay, I want a sure job. They will definitely consider you.
Exactly, sir. Now, I was happy with Synergy, Volume also, and then SCI
Okay,
also. But I wanted to
okay,
work in all kind of ship. So I want to join gas tanker
right,
so that only I change the Synergy, to grow myself.
right.
That is also important.
Also you
Yeah.
want to do one gas carrier, like you are saying.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that was the reason. Otherwise,
So
I was
you,
very much happy. Yeah, and like I used
right,
to go in office sometimes. So whenever I go and I meet a superintendent of my ship, and he will take me to the another senior person. And if he's sitting, there is a problem in his ship as electrical umbrella. This is the problem. Tell what to do. Now also I don't know. They give me so much of respect, and still I say I'm so young. I have done only this much ship. That was in starting only, and he's asking
that's because you are so good in your job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you don't have to thank me. You are good anyway. And okay, tell me one more thing. Uh, uh, have you ever thought of getting married yet or not yet?
Yes, sir. I want to
Or
get
you
married.
don't? You want to?
Yes, that is also, sir.
So,
Yeah,
okay.
I
So
would
now
say
my
that
next question.
the perfect person is the.
have another mariner in your mind who you want to marry to, or anyone?
And my parents and my choice, both it should be there. And I prefer he should be from shipping only.
Yeah,
Um,
that's what I was
yes.
asking.
Yes. So he can understand the nature of job and like everything, so there will not be much complications.
Also,
Now like
also
my
you can also maybe if he's a mariner, you can kind of match your joining and signing off together, so that would be the best
exactly.
way, right?
Yes. So I want that only, a mariner only. And that is
Right.
also important. Yes. Like I always feel that my
Hmm.
role model is that Barack Obama, because he is the man he is the man like perfect man, for me, because he equalized both the things like personal life and professional.
You said he's the perfect man for you. He's already married.
Sorry. Okay, not for me.
Continue,
Like
continue. Just
my role
joking,
model.
just joking.
Yeah, it should
Yeah, yeah,
be. So because I
yeah.
always feel like there should be a like personal life and professional life, who like many people are aware because of their profession, they leave behind their personal life. It should not be like that. So personal life is also important. We have to with the professional life. So as we are good in our profession, so personal life we give them respect to our family and everything. We take them with the shoulder to shoulder. So I want,
Right,
so personal life,
right,
yeah, I need to get married at correct age. That is also important.
right, right.
Yes,
And
yes, it's
I know you also feel very strongly about women rights and gender equality. Something you want to tell the other women, Or before that, tell me, are you actively involved into kind of advocating about this gender equality? And if
yes,
yes,
sir.
in what way? If yes, in what way?
Active, sir. Woman is the one, a girl, like they can do anything and everything. It is not
Right,
like that like they cannot do as like that you were saying about this paid maternity leave. Right.
right,
So as yeah, all the shore industry, they do understand that a woman only, she can birth to a child, right, which male
right,
cannot do, and they do work until like they can, and then they get the paid leave. So same way, why it is not
right.
possible in shipping industry? Why we have to scare? Shipping industry is not a small industry. Like by paying the maternity leave, their accounts will go down or something like that. And another thing is, as I told that day, if we get that, we are in touch with the our company. And for girls, it is like our job is contract based job, in shipping. So once we come out
Hmm.
of our contract and we are planning for the family and having a baby, it will go a year, and it may go two
Right.
3 years. And again, if you want to join back the ship, you know
Hmm.
then a female, she has to start from beginning again. She has to
Right.
apply to the companies are not ready to take.
Right.
There is no
Right.
job security for us.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, so that company should, like, they should give us a sure job or something. It should not be like that. If we are giving a birth to a baby after maternity leave, they are not happy. They doesn't want to take it. You had this much gap. So there
Right.
should be,
Right.
yeah. So whatever is our right, we should speak it out, and we have to. There is nothing to scared in that.
Right. Right. Right.
Yes.
Like in the airline industry also, the air hostesses and all those people, sometimes they give them a sure job, when they are going through their pregnancy or
Yes.
the child is small or
Hmm.
something. Yeah, they
Yes,
do
we
have.
can.
I'm sure
But
the merchant navy, this awakening is slowly setting in, and
yes.
when there are competent people like you on board, companies have to think in that way, that if they want the services, the good services of somebody like Amreen, they must make sure
Thank
that
you.
Amreen is happy with them, Amreen is getting what she wants. So, companies have to think that way, right?
Yes, we can work from home and from office, rather than
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can
just
spend time
creating
in
like
the
during.
office. Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I think Amreen, now I'll come to, some very uh, end of this our chat, and
Yes.
this is like the quick fire questions. Have you have
Okay.
you have you ever watched a Coffee with Karan?
No, yeah, I have watched Coffee with Karan.
So okay, now you will be taking part in Wine with Ravi.
Oh my God. Okay,
Okay,
I'm ready.
okay, okay. So
First time
so
yes.
okay. So now these are small answers, maybe one line, maybe one word. Okay, quick ones.
Okay.
So what was your favorite cartoon character as a kid?
Tom and Jerry.
Tom
In
and
Tom and
Jerry.
Jerry.
And
Yes.
and do you still have a favorite cartoon character?
I do watch it every day now also with my sister kid, and I enjoy
Sorry?
it. Tom and Jerry, still I do watch it
Okay, okay, okay,
every day. Yes, in that
okay,
rat is yes.
okay. So if you are the top boss of a ship, right? If you are the top boss of a ship is an island. Okay, it's a small island. You are the top boss. You are the prime minister of the ship. What would be the first two things you would do on a ship?
Two ships. First
Any
two
two
thing was
things?
this.
Yeah,
Yes.
whatever
Um,
comes to your mind.
I will. Yes. First, like I will gather all the crew, and I'll
Hmm.
have a meeting, and
Hmm.
yes, I'll ask the questions and too comfortable, I'm your boss and this,
Hmm.
introducing myself and getting from them, and then we can organize a party and enjoy it. It is like we can safety drills and all, everything is there that will happen. But I want my ship, my crew, everything. He should be happy. They should feel their boss is the best in every way. Whatever is the healthy environment I want to
Okay,
create.
okay, okay. Very good.
Yes, safe and
Okay.
healthy. Yes, sir.
So,
Considering
so,
all this.
so what is your best talent other than being a ETO on the ship? What is your other best talent?
Gardening, sir,
Gardening.
and
So what?
photography.
Gardening and photography.
Yes, 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 yes.
Uh,
Lots of
Give some
photos.
examples. What have you done? Oh, you have a lot of
Uh,
photos?
yes, yes, I have lot of photos, scenes like nature scenes on board, which I click, and sometimes if I'm putting it on. I don't put usually on Facebook or somewhere I'm putting. So people do ask me, ma'am, for the paid or like we want to put in our photography lab, and then I always think like, am I this much good? They wanted to put in their studio my photos like that. And
Hmm.
some people, they are making their videos or something for editing, so they do ask me, okay, can I have your photos, can you give me your photos? So I love to take photos every day, on ship. I can't miss sunrise and sunset or whatever is the scene
Uh,
coming, I will find
Right.
the chance or way to come out and take. We're crossing any canal or anything, okay, I'll see where is our ship. And then suddenly I'll go and click a photo. Best scene, all the best scene I'll click, and later I'll show that
Okay,
to
okay,
them.
okay. Very good. Okay,
Yes.
and tell me, what is the worst lie you ever told your parents and got away with it? कोई ऐसा झूठ बोला हो जो पेरेंट्स को और वो मान गए तुम्हारा?
So far, nothing, sir. I
Nothing?
don't lie
Nothing.
to them. No,
Oh, okay,
no.
all right, okay, okay,
Nothing
okay.
is coming.
So tell me, what is the best gift you ever received from the ship or from any other relative or friend ashore?
So far, sir, best gift. There are many, but right now I can say that the best gift I'm getting every day, messages from everyone, and like they're saying, "Ma'am, you are our inspiration. We want to become like that. If you can do, if we will, you have done a lot hard work, and like if we'll do a bit of you, and then we can achieve our dreams. So please guide us, suggest us what we should do, and like if." It is like, what is the better feeling it can be, like if somebody they are trying to achieve their dreams all because of you are an inspiration for them.
Okay.
It's a very good feeling. I'm feeling very good. That day, just after we ended with the chat, and I got a call from a girl, and she was saying, "Ma'am, I want to become like you, and please guide her. You are my inspirations. I will work hard, whatever it will take, and I will work, and I will do it, and I will." I was so much happy, and I was, of course,
Mm.
motivating her. Likewise, many. So this is the like from the person I can see. I feel it is best as of now,
Right, right, right.
and all
Okay, tell
appreciate.
me,
Yes, loved.
in your opinion, one thing which every human being must try at least once in life.
See, whatever you want and you think, your thought, uh, never scared from anything. Never scared from anything. You will not get this, and what others will say, whatever is inside you, just take it out and at least try once for that. Before you try, before itself you scared and sit there, you will not get it. So every human being, they should try whatever they think and they want. They should not go on others, what other is saying, it is tough, or they should have, at least once they should do it, what they wanted, rather than like
Right,
thinking it is.
right, right.
Yes,
So
they will get
whatever
it.
is there in the mind,
Yes,
inside,
you
so must try it, should not be scared कि वो पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. Give it
yes,
a try,
yes, give it
right?
a try. Yes.
Okay, tell me, the most unusual fear or a dream which you always have. Something you fear, or you have a dream which you always, that dream comes, a bad dream, a nightmare.
Okay, okay. My teeth are getting like I have no teeth in my ear. Again and again, it is breaking my teeth. I always get the dream. Most of the time, I get the dream, and I'm flying in the Airbus, and like some like not realistic dream. Some says, people says you turn around the world, and I don't know how you imagine it. I'm in the Airbus, air bike, and like I'm flying in the air. I mostly get those dream in my, yes.
Okay.
Once I wanted to see that, I want to. I don't know
Okay,
whether it will be realistic.
tell me your best dream. A dream which you have, the best dream which you want to have or you have it.
Best dream.
Yeah, I mean, dream
I
of life, something.
mm, I usually don't get blank dreams, and whenever dreams are coming, dreams are like that only for me. Uh,
No, these are not necessarily dreams which you dream while you're sleeping. Maybe sometimes in
yes.
the you have dreams, I want to be this or I want to be that, those kind of dreams.
Yes, 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 yes. So whatever, sir, I want, my next step, I always dream for that. You know, I
Okay,
want to be that. Yeah, I want to be on that. So I continuously that thing runs in my mind until I get it. So dream will also come for that. So that dreams only run in my mind what I want in my next step. So what I want to plan, what I want, what it should be. So that dream is always there in my mind. What is my
right,
next step? What I want. If I want to like join a guest anchor, so I will dream about that. If I want to get married next year, so how it will be. All
right,
these things.
right.
Yeah, my next step is always in my mind as a my dream.
You know what our last president Abul Kalam said once?
Yes.
He said many things. He was one of the
Uh,
greatest persons we have ever had. Okay,
yes,
so
yes, of course.
he said always dream big. He used to go to colleges, universities, and everywhere. He used to love kids. He used to give so many speeches in the colleges, and fortunately, he also died while he was. Remember, he died while he was giving a speech in a college. to the students.
Yes, yes,
He
yes,
just collapsed
yes,
there.
yes.
So he used to say, dream big. And he said, when I say dreams, I'm not talking about the dreams which you have while you are sleeping. I'm talking about the dreams which you are having while you are awake.
Have a big. Yes, yes.
So always dream big. And with that, we come to the end of our chat. And thank you so much, Amreen. I hope all your dreams come true, all
Thank
your
you.
good dreams come true.
I
Okay,
mean, thank
and
you.
you are a role model for so many people. I mean, there were hundreds of comments down below. I couldn't read all of
Oh
them
my
because
God.
time was short, and
Yes, yes.
I had to skip so many of them. And people are praising you all the time while we were talking. And
Oh
thank you
my
so
God.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
On
and
board
God bless
also.
you.
Thank
Yeah.
you. On board, sir, yeah, I would say on board, when I am on board and the cadets and TMEs are there, they are first, and like sometimes juniors, they all say like, ma'am, like we get inspired and motivated from you. If like how you do all this, sometimes they feel very bad and tough time, and by looking at me, they do motivate themselves. If you can do this, then why can't we do? If you can survive here, why can't we survive here? You are working
Absolutely.
all. Yes, so I feel good. You go
Right.
at least,
Right.
yeah.
Chalo, Amreen, I hope you get a ship of your choice,
Thank
and
you. I mean,
always stay in touch. I would love to see
sure.
your career graph where you reach eventually, and you will touch the sky. Don't worry. And
Thank you so much.
God bless you, and good night. Bye.
Thank you.
Good night,
Good night,
everyone.
sir.
All the viewers.
Good.
Bye.
Thank you so much, everyone, for praising me. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye bye.